First love
First crush.
ஏதாவது
First crush was in school edition and continuously we shot one skit, you know. So nothing like that. It was 1-2 takes every scene was. So there was no scope of that Shreya Ghoshal sang. Beautiful song. It's very tough to sing.
Okay.
So I should not even attempt to sing that song. Very tough singing. I had 2 like big cups of black coffee before doing that scene.
ஸோ இங்கே வந்து
Depends, yeah.
இங்கே வந்து இப்போது நிறைய யூனிக்காக நிறைய டேரக்டர்ஸ் இருக்காங்கல்ல எல்லாத்தோட பேரும் சொல்லிட்டீங்க இப்போ 2021 என்னென்ன கான்செப்டில் இது வரைக்கும் ஸ்டோரிஸ் சொல்கிறதுக்கு நிறைய டேரக்டர்ஸ் வந்திருக்காங்க. வாட் அண்ட் ஆல் ஸ்டோரிஸ் யூ ரிசீவ்ட் அப்பார்ட் ஃப்ரம் பூமி அண்ட் ஈஸ்வர்?
I received like few like women, strong
Women-centric.
women subject. Few I received those. Few like commercial again. But I don't have the dates right now. But when my dates open up, kandipa pandren.
பண்ணுறேன்.
Yes.
நிறைய ஸ்டோரிஸ் சொல்கிறதுக்கு ஆசையாக இருந்தாலும் கொஞ்சம் டேட்ஸ் தான் ப்ராப்ளம்.
கொஞ்சம் dates இப்போ ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்கு.
Okay.
But கண்டிப்பா பண்றேன்.
சின்ன சின்ன மெமரிஸ் இருக்கும்ல சைல்ட்ஹுட் மெமரிஸ்லாம், அந்த மாதிரி சைல்ட்ஹுட் மெமரிஸில் உங்களுக்கு மறக்க முடியாத பப்பி லவ், அதாவது பப்பி ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லவ்
First crush.
ஏதாவது?
First crush was in school in my class in 4th standard. He's actually my very good friend.
ஓகே,
Because
ஃப்ரெண்டே வந்து
school-
நிதி ஐ லவ் யூ அப்படி சொல்லிட்டானா?
No love, nothing. I just had a crush on him. He also had a crush on me. That's all. Nothing else.
லவ் லெட்டர்லாம் வரலையா? ஸ்பெல்லிங் மிஸ்டேக்கோட
Love letter
பிளட்ல
and all
லெட்டர்
நிறைய வந்துச்சு.
வந்துச்சா? லிஸ்ட் பெருசு.
One funny thing is the first boy who told me I like you in my bus, he was sitting behind, I was sitting little bit in front. I was eating one apple. I threw my apple on him. I got very angry. So that frustration, I just threw it on him.
கோவத்துல நீ எல்லாம்
I don't know
வேஸ்ட்
why.
ஃபெலோ அப்படி சொல்லிட்டீங்க.
எனக்கு கோவம் வர அப்போ
இப்போ கொடுத்தா ஆப்பிள் ஒரு பைட் கொடுத்தா அவருக்கு கொடுத்தா ஷேர்
இல்ல depends.
டிபெண்ட்ஸ் அப்பான் த பர்சன்.
டேட்ஸ் இல்ல டைம் இல்ல எனக்கு தெரியாது.
ஓகே, ஸோ நிதி வந்து இந்த மாதிரி மெமரபிள் விஷயங்களை ரீவைண்ட் பண்ணுவீங்களா அடிக்கடி? ரைட்டிங் ஹேபிட் ஆஃப் டைரி, ரைட்டிங் இந்த கேலண்டர், இந்த மாதிரி ஏதாவது?
No, I don't write anything.
No recollecting memories?
No, I recollect in my mind, but I'm not somebody who writes a diary and all, because then I will have that tension, where is that diary, who will read it? I don't want anyone to read it. So no,
ஓகே,
it's all just in my mind.
மைண்ட். ஓகே, இப்போ ஆக்டிங்கில் உங்களோட கரியரில் லாட் ஆஃப் டேரக்டர்ஸ் டேரக்ட் யூ அண்ட் மேக் யூ க்ரூம் லாட் ஆஃப் திங்ஸ்.
Definitely.
ஆக்டிங்கில் இதுதான் நான் இம்ப்ரவைஸ் பண்ணணும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஒன் திங் ஐ எம் டூயிங் அ மிஸ்டேக் ஆஃபன். இதில் வந்து நான் படம் பார்க்கும்போது ஐ எம் நாட் ஹாப்பி, திஸ் திங் ஐ வாண்ட் டு டெவலப்னா அண்ட் வாட் இஸ் தட்?
I think one thing that I noticed was I was not really like in scenes that are not about me, right? Like I was not really focusing in those scenes.
So other
But
people
when
will be
you
acting, you are
see-
standing with them and you are not able to.
No, like in a group scene, for example, if I'm out of focus or if I'm standing somewhere there in 5 people, I'm not really focusing, because also language is not very easy to adapt to, you know, suddenly. Because a lot of people will be saying different dialogues. Sometimes I will not understand. But when you see it on the big screen, you see that, okay, people can see me clearly. At that time, in that monitor, small screen, you can't see. But when you see it on the big screen, you're like, okay, people can see me clearly. So now I'm like, okay, no, everything people can see. So I'm like very careful about everything.
Super. Because a lot of women follow you, particularly college girls, they are giving different comments about your costumes. Nariya
I
costumes.
haven't seen these comments, so I don't know.
No, we have been screenshotted many
Oh,
things.
you screenshotted, okay.
Because all the comments, they like your costume particularly.
Oh, great.
They are doing their own costume in their way, which you selected.
How sweet, how sweet.
So,
Thank you.
இந்த மாதிரி நிறைய whatever you talk, whatever you give interviews, no, those people are crazy about you. So what you want to say to them, your fans, particularly boys and girls of 18 plus?
I want to say thank you, first of all, for following me, for thinking, you know, that I maybe have a good sense of whatever, all of these things. I can't say nice things about myself, but thank you for all the love, and I hope that you continue to like my work, and I hope that I continue to, in some way, you know, make you follow a little bit, inspire you a little bit. And I just want to say that be like, whatever you want to do, no, especially you said 18 plus, right? Like that is the age to achieve your dreams and to achieve your goals. You know, those 10 years are very, very, very important. So don't waste it behind things that are not needed in life. So just focus on yourself, focus on your career, and do something, and then you have your whole life left to do other things.
Simbu or Jayam Ravi, did they teach you anything in the combination scene? Like, இந்த மாதிரி பண்ண வேண்டாம், இப்படி பண்ணு நிதி, this is good for you, why are doing this, do this way, அந்த மாதிரி ஏதாவது டீச் பண்ணாங்களா? Apart from director.
No, they were just always very encouraging. Like Ravi sir, I remember in Bhumi I do have some tough scenes to do. I actually had tough scenes to do. So Lakshman sir only would tell me do it like this, do it like that. But Ravi sir would always tell me that no, you're doing it nicely, don't worry, this is very nice, that is nice. So like that he would say. And even in Ishwaran, actually we shot the film only so fast, I don't even know what happened in those 20-25
Bhumi
days.
took a long interval.
Bhumi we shot in gap. But Ishwaran continuously we shot one schedule, no? So nothing like that. It was 1-2 takes every scene was. So there was no scope of telling me anything, but they were both very supportive, very encouraging, very patient, and very like nice to work with.
Super.
Yeah.
When you remember the old songs which you often hum the song, Hindi, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, any song, this is a song I always hum, even in the what is the bathroom singer, like that kind of stuff. What song you hum a lot?
No song. You are going to make me hum a song.
Not sing a song, just hum a song.
I know, but I'm not a good singer. I don't know if I'm a good hummer. Which song do I hum a lot?
Okay, out of these two movies, which song you loved a lot to work with, to dance in a song? Which song?
So there is this one song in Bhumi, Kale Kadale Rasate, that Shreya Ghoshal sang. No? It's a beautiful song. It's very tough to sing.
Okay.
So I should not even attempt to sing that song because the pitch is very, very high.
Shreya
If you
Ghoshal,
heard it.
appa,
Yeah, exactly. Which is why I should not go there.
Okay.
So there's that. Then there is in Ishwaran, there is a song that's going to come out. It's called Chalakutti Rasati. It's very cute.
Super.
So, yeah.
So Simbu acting with Nayanthara, Simbu acting with Trisha, Simbu acting with Reema Sen, whom is your favorite out of these three? Simbu has a lot of fans.
Yes.
And any heroine he selects that becomes viral.
Okay.
Now you are becoming viral.
Yeah. Thank you. I've seen this movie, Vinay Tandivaran.
Okay.
So I would say
So all time Simbu Trisha.
I would say that. But I'm sure like he's been good with other heroines also. It's just that I've seen this film.
Okay.
So I can definitely say, okay, that was nice.
Okay. So coming to this Bhumi and this Pongal, particularly this Ishwaran, all this enjoyable moment of Tamil Nadu is Pongal. Very important.
Yes.
So how is Pongal for you? Usually, have you ever eaten Pongal,
I
Sakar
have,
Pongal,
definitely.
different kind of Pongal?
That sweet Pongal. I've eaten the sweet Pongal many times. Even on set, sometimes they give Pongal and all. So I've had it. Even in Bangalore. I'm from Bangalore, so I'm very familiar with South Indian food. So I've eaten Pongal, but this Pongal for me is very, very special. It's my most special Pongal till date, 2021.
2021, superb. So apart from all the cinema stuff, we have spoken a lot of things. Really, this close call is close to all. From heart, you have spoken many things and shared with us. Anything in particular which is out of the box, out of the routine from these movies? This is one scene which you people need to watch.
Yes, in Bhumi there is one scene.
Please.
Very tough scene. I had 2 like big cups of black coffee before doing that scene.
2 black coffees at a stretch.
At the time before they said, okay, Nidhi, Lakshman sir was like, Nidhi, today we are shooting that scene. I understood which scene because from the beginning I know, okay, this scene is coming. Where it is, I'm in that field kind of a thing and there is something playing and I am doing some movement in that scene. So please watch out for that scene.
Okay.
I will post it after the film releases. I will post it on my social media, saying that this scene should be the highlight of my career.
Sir, from Ishwaran?
From Ishwaran, many cute scenes are there. Many cute. In Ishwaran scenes, my dialogues are very cute.
Okay. Any one dialogue which you...
It is going to come now.
Just a dialogue for us.
You
said full interview, I'll do in Tamil. At least one dialogue in Tamil.
One dialogue is Na unna love panna pore.
Avladana.
Listen, let the trailer come. Let something come. The song or name also I told you. That is exclusive.
Sir, இன்னொரு தடவை சொல்லுங்க அந்த dialogue. இந்த feel ஓட.
Na unna love panna pore.
இந்த feel வரல.
படம்ல வரேன்.
So இந்த இன்டர்வியூல இவ்வளவுதான் feel.
Because it is a continuous dialogue, but the first is Na unna love panna pore.
Okay. So நாங்க எல்லாரும் உங்களை லவ் பண்றோம்.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
One India சார்பாக Filmy Beat Close Call நிகழ்ச்சி சார்பாக thanks a bunch for making such a wonderful movies. Keep rocking and we will keep you updated with a lot of new stuff.
Thank you so much. Wonderful to be interviewed by you. Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Bye bye.